Alright boys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm going to be going over Taskbot iOS. This is going to be a setup for the box logo release coming out this Thursday. So here you go, you can open the app, and the first thing you're going to want to do every time is check for an update. There isn't an update, sorry, I'm on the current version. Okay, so the first thing you do, like I said, always check for an update. The second thing you're going to want to do every time is log into your Google account. And I think I'll already be logged in. Yep, I'm already logged in. So this is where you'll get your one-click CAPTCHAs. You'll want to log into a Gmail that's older or that you know can get one-click CAPTCHAs, so you can buy those on Twitter as well. So you're always going to want to be logged in. That'll help a lot. Billing profile is the same as everything. You add your billing profiles. Proxies, I recommend, I don't use any proxies for Supreme. That is because I have a good home Wi-Fi and it is super quick. So proxies, only if you have really bad Wi-Fi, I'd recommend getting good data center proxies to improve your speeds. The next thing I'll recommend is to always show the clock. That option is going to be right here. You can turn it off or turn it on. Always have that on because you'll know the seconds leading up to the drop. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set up my box logo tasks. Create. The store will be Supreme. It is automatically set to there. And for billing profiles, this is how I'm going to do it. For every profile, I will have a different card and a different billing address. I will be using my card, my friend's cards. Basically, everything will be different. Billing, shipping, every single profile will be 100% different information. This is to just increase my chances of copying multiple hoodies, or sweatshirts, sorry. Just because if you use the same information, even if you jig the addresses and use different cards, you run into the risk of a duplicate order, which you do not want. Yeah, you can get one, but you always want to increase your chances to go for multiple. So like I said, have different credit cards and different billing and shipping addresses for each profile if you want to cop multiples on this. If not, you can just run one card and run for any size, any color, and you'll get one if Taskbot works, which I assume it will be working this release. So I'm just going to use this profile right here. And the product, it'll be loaded. He will have box logos on here. So let's just say this first one is a box logo. I'll set it up like that. And then the size, I'm going to do any, just because it'll be quickest to pick up, and it'll pick up any size. And then also I'm going to be doing any color. And proxy, like I said, I do not run any proxies because I have a good, quick home Wi-Fi. So all I have to do right now is click save, and it'll be here. And once you have created all your tasks, I recommend starting at 10:59 and 45 seconds. I always do this, and it's always got me what I wanted. So it'll be monitoring until about 11. I assume the site will be pretty laggy since it's going to be a box logo release. And then your task should pick up the product, and then it should add to cart and give you a CAPTCHA. If you have one-click CAPTCHAs, that'll be the quickest, but if not, you're going to have to solve, so do that as fast as you can. And that is about it for the task, guys. It's fairly simple. The questions a lot of you have are about multiples, and I went over that. Just use different information for every single profile. That is the best way to not run into any problems. And proxies, I don't use any proxies. You can if you want, but that's all the info I got for the box logo release. Taskbot also works on other sites, but this one right here is just strictly talking about the box logo release that is coming up this Thursday. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Have a good one.
I feel that bitch in the back with the Burberry on. Yeah. I feel that bitch in the back with the Burberry on. Yeah. Until this